my god. I smell it. I heard you. You're like, oh, my phone's broken. I was like, I can hear you.
I didn't hear you.
I was like, what the hell? And then you keep calling and calling and calling. I thought you were outside in the garage, but I don't know. I didn't know whether or not you were. You should have just said it.
Let me to the house.
I could close the trunk.
No, you can do it.
I could do it. I could do it too. Wait, stay there. Stay there. I want to see, videotape how big it is compared to you. Because I can't videotape myself. Look at that. It's like up to my knee. Up to my freaking knee. Higher than my knee, like about an inch above my knee. This thing is crazy. Richard goes and emails me on Facebook or whatever, saying like, be careful you don't fall in the snow or something. He's like, I don't want to come over there and have to dig you out. How?
I got more than you. I'm sliding. Oh, fuck.
Well, I'm busy. I almost slipped and fell.
The Chloe's the only place open. The McDonald's over here wasn't open. I had to fucking go all the way back to Harlem.
Oh, that sucks. I want to go out and play in it. That's humongous.
You don't go out playing here. You know what? You can cover all that shit. You can't go out there and ruin it.
Oh my god, I'm tired.